You make your money in the bear markets. You see how much you made in the bull markets. And in the last 6 months of basically no activity, one of the top 25 coins is actually up 50%. Not too bad given the state of the market. Even Bitcoin, which has had a decent 2023 so far and is actually doing much better than much of the rest of the market and altcoins, even Bitcoin is mostly flat for the last 6 months. So which project am I talking about here? And more importantly, if the trend continues, could this altcoin make you a millionaire come the next bull run? Well, as you probably saw from the title, I'm talking about Stellar Lumens and its ticker XLM. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly how many XLM you need to acquire today at current prices in order to cash in and become a millionaire at the height of the next crypto bull cycle. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck as always if you choose to invest, but again, I'm not a financial or investment advisor, so just remember that this video is not official financial or investment advice. Just a quick reminder here, remember to be checking out Randy's daily TA segments. In today's video, Bitcoin is perhaps looking to bounce back up a little bit. He covers BTC as well as Thorchain, ticker Rune, R-U-N-E. Check this out. It is free technical analysis. You can really up your trading game by following Randy's tips and strategies, and it's free of cost. I'll include a link to this video in the description below. Check it out. Okay, let's consider to begin with the historical performance of XLM, because before we can come to an exact number of XLM that you're going to need to become a millionaire, we do need to understand where XLM could go from here. And to do that, we first need to understand where it's been. Now, most of us are not whales holding hundreds of thousands of XLM, and that's fine. But it does mean that we're going to need to see a pretty big price swing to become a Stellar Lumens millionaire. It could happen, but that's the reality, right? Stellar Lumens, which until recently was flying kind of under the radar, is actually the number 21 project by market cap in all of crypto. So it's a heavyweight, right? And that's probably a surprise to many of us. I was a little bit shocked myself by that ranking because for some of you watching this video, it may be the case that you're even hearing about this project for the first time. But it is a big boy in the space. The market cap is $3.3 billion, placing just barely ahead of both Avalanche and Chainlink. And that gives you an idea of the project's size. The total supply of XLM is 50 billion with 27.5 billion in circulation. Its all-time high was actually not from the bull market recently, but 2 bull markets ago, January 2018. And that high was 87 cents. For reference, right now we currently stand at 12 cents. Okay, so a move from 12 cents up to 87 cents, that would give us an almost 7x. It would also give us a market cap of $23.9 billion. And that's almost the value of XRP currently, which is the number 6 coin in crypto as it stands right now. For those of you who may not know, XRP and XLM have a common owner in Jed McCaleb. In fact, XLM is actually a hard fork of Ripple's code, just like BCH or Bitcoin Cash is of Bitcoin. And as a Ripple fork, XLM got a big price pump from the SEC ruling in Ripple's favor recently. In fact, the pump of XLM was almost as big as XRP's. And it is making moves in the CBDC market as well, as 2 countries right now are issuing their own central bank digital currencies on the XLM blockchain. The all-time low from back in 2015 is 4/100ths of a cent, or $0.0004. But those days are long gone. Again, the all-time high was 5 years ago, and we could see some nice gains if we return back to that status there. But could Stellar hit a new all-time high and in the process make some new millionaires? Yes, it can. That is our definitive answer here. Let's consider the charts here. We asked our technical analysis team to look at Stellar. Here's what they had to say. So after a bear market low of 7.1 cents back in January, XLM has mostly been in a trading range. Kind of means that it's been directionless, to be honest, between 7.1 cents and 11 cents. Now, recent highs, as recently as July actually, of 16.4 cents are the current resistance. That's what they represent. If it breaks through that above 16.4 cents, then the next long-term resistance would be at 23.5 cents and 30.1 cents, as well as 40 cents. This is all based on Fibonacci analysis, by the way. And then the next resistance that we would realistically see would be 87 cents, the previous all-time high. But on the downside, we have to maintain 6.5 cents as a support. That represents a multi-year low. If XLM breaks down below 6.5, then we could see prices hit 2 cents, 3 cents. It would be pretty ugly. And it's always helpful to know what the charts say because you can learn a lot from them. Like I said earlier, check out Randy's videos if you haven't done so already. It's great technical analysis, advice, strategies, suggestions. And so I also believe that XLM could go higher based on what the charts are saying. It's becoming a payments leader. And of course, we know that payments is really becoming one of the few true killer use cases in the crypto industry right now. So the news, in addition to the charts, is very positive. And Stellar's integration with Swift for global cross-border payments is evidence of that. So we have not only good charts fundamentally, but great news and great positivity surrounding the project. Therefore, it has lots of room to grow. Again, it's just a 7x until it catches up to XRP. Introducing Altcoin Buzz Alpha, where you can manage your crypto portfolio with regular updates and top insights for only $15 per month. Get hot Web3 trends, undervalued crypto gems, daily portfolio strategies, and of course, response to all your questions and queries. Check it out. Join today. Links are in the description below. Okay, so how much XLM to truly be a crypto millionaire? So far, you've seen our bull arguments. Let's summarize them. They've been based on payments, moving in sync with XRP, more clarity given the recent US court decisions, the growth of CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, and realistically, room to grow and catch up to and surpass its previous all-time high. Okay, so how much XLM does it take? In the next 2 to 5 years, we see XLM going up to $2, up to $3 even. That would mean Stellar would be worth $80 to $90 billion. That's the range where Tether is right now. Let's consider the lower end of our range, $2. That would mean that you'd need 500,000 XLM. And at a current price of 12 cents, that would represent today a $60,000 investment. But then in terms of the upper end of our prediction range, you would need 333,333 XLM if it were to achieve $3. Doing the same calculation and multiplying that amount by the current price of 12 cents, you would need to invest $40,000 into a 12-cent XLM token to be a crypto millionaire if that were to achieve a $3 price at the height of the next bull cycle. $2, $3, it may sound like a lot, but again, we're thinking years down the line here, and we fully expect this project, which continues to do well, we fully expect it to not only meet previous all-time highs, but surpass them. So at one point in the future, $2, $3, perhaps more is actually pretty realistic. That's how we would argue it, and we're going to stick to that because, again, this is not a short-term trade. This is something that we have confidence in the long term. Let me know your thoughts about that, guys, whether $2, $3, or another new all-time high, perhaps even greater, is realistic to you.